With lifelike precision, our robotic arms ensure every component of your new drone is perfectly placed, ready for integration.
The precise balance of cathode and anode materials is crucial for ensuring long-term battery longevity and performance. Every component is aligned with micrometer precision.
The readings on the rear panel are inconsistent.
It looks like a minor paint anomaly right here, but the scanners cleared it.
Every Tesla is checked thoroughly before leaving the Gigafactory.
Thank you for joining us. We look forward to the future.
And that's how Tesla cars are built. Testing, from start to finish.
If you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button right here. Go ahead, click it now. Awesome, thanks for subscribing.